Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about mineral metabolism. The mineral metabolism, this is divided according to the RDA, which is recommended daily alert. It is divided into three parts, which is macrominerals, microminerals, and ultra trace mineral. Macromineral, we need more than 100 milligram per day, which is sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, phosphate, and magnesium. The microminerals are, which is 100 milligram, less than 100 milligram per day, which is Fe and Cu. The ultra trace minerals are less than 1 milligram per day, which is Sc as well as Cr. This is how the minerals are divided into micro, macro as well as ultra trace. Now we will see about the macrominerals, which is first one, which is sodium. The major cation of ECF, extracellular fluid. The food source of the sodium is table salt, animal food, milk, and some vegetables. The RDA, which is recommended daily alert, is 1 to 5 gram per day. The absorption is, it is absorbed by the gut, which is our intestine. The excretion is excreted in urine, which is regulated by the aldosterone. This hormone, which is aldosterone, regulates the excretion of the sodium through urine. The metabolic function of the sodium is maintains osmotic pressure and water balance, constituent of buffer, maintains acid-base balance, which also plays an important role in cell membrane permeability, maintains muscle and nerve irritability, required for absorption of glucose, galactose, and amino acid. This sodium is also responsible for absorption of glucose, galactose, and amino acid. These are the metabolical functions of the sodium. The normal plasma sodium level is 135 to 145 milligram per equivalence. This is the normal level of the plasma sodium. Now the hypernatremia. When increase in this level, when it is more than 145, it is known as hypernatremia. Increase Na plus level in plasma. The cause of this hypernatremia is water depletion due to decrease intake of H2O. If we drink less water, the sodium also will lost due to increased loss of urine. Water and sodium depletion occur when there is more loss in urine. The H2O, then Na plus, is lost in the DM. Excessive sweating, diarrhea, excessive sodium intake or retention increases the aldosterone and causes and Cushing syndrome. And the symptoms of this hypernatremia is hypertension as well as edema. Now we will see about the hyponatremia. Decreased level of sodium in plasma causes retention of H2O and dilutes the constituent of the plasma. This results in heart failure, example heart failure, liver failure, nephrotic syndrome, and renal failures. Loss of Na, loss of sodium results. The cause of loss of sodium is vomiting and diarrhea. The symptoms are constant thirst. They will always get thirsty. Muscle cramps will be occurring and vomiting. The abdominal cramps and weakness and lethargy. These are the symptoms of the hyponatremia. Lethargic means very casual. Potassium, main intracellular cation. This is a main intracellular cation present in the body. Dietary sources by vegetable, fruit, whole grain, meat, milk, legume, and tender coconut. These are the dietary source of the potassium. The RDA is 2 to 5 gram per day. The absorption is to gastrointestinal tract. The excretion is by GIT, skin and urine. The serum potassium level is 3.5 to 5 molar equivalent per liter. This is the normal potassium level. The metabolic function, it maintains intracellular osmotic pressure, H2O balance, acid-base balance, influences the activity of cardiac and skeletal muscle. Transmission of nerve impulse, need for protein synthesis. These are the metabolic function of the potassium, which is maintain the intracellular osmotic pressure, H2O balance, acid-base balance, influences the activity of the cardiac and skeletal muscle, transmission of the nerve impulse, need for protein synthesis. When there is increased level of potassium in the body, which is known as hyperkalemia, causes by renal failure, addition disease, trauma, malignancy. These are the cause of hyperkalemia. The symptoms are cardiac arrest, changes in ECG, which is electrocardiograph, muscle weakness. Hypokalemia, increased level of potassium in serum, which is known as hyperkalemia. Cause are vomiting, diarrhea, renal disease and diuretics. The symptoms of this are muscle weakness, tachycardia, lethargic and confusion. Now you will see the major anion in the ECF, which is chloride. The dietary source of the chloride are table salt, vegetable, egg and milk. The recommended daily alert is 2 to 5 gram per day. The absorption is by GIT. The excretion is by GIT, skin and urine. The normal plasma level of the chloride is 95 to 105 milliequivalent per liter. The function of this is maintains the H2O balance, formation of HCl, osmotic pressure, activation of amylase, acid-base balance, involved in chloride shift. The hyperchloremia, which increases the level of chloride, causes dehydration, metabolic acidosis, Cushing syndromes. This is the hyperchloremia causes. Now you will see the hypochloremia. This is which is decrease in chloride level. The cause of this is vomiting, metabolic alkalosis, excessive sweating and Addison's disease. This is the cause of hyperkalemia. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share and comment my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt in it, please do comment it. If you have any topic you have doubt in it, please do comment it. And this video was asked by an viewer. He asked about the hyperkalemia and hypokalemia as well as the mineral metabolism. So I uploaded this video. If you have any doubt like this, please do comment it. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe.